In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a file from Adobe Acrobat. This is an essential skill whether you're looking to store important documents, share your files, or simply manage your digital paperwork better. Let's dive in and see how you can do it effectively. The first thing you need to do is open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This step is quite straightforward. Make sure you have the program open and then navigate to the PDF file you want to work with. Once you locate your file, simply double click on it or use the open option within Adobe Acrobat to have it displayed on your screen. Adobe Acrobat can handle PDF files of various sizes and complexities, so whether it's a simple receipt or a more detailed report, you'll be all set. Now once your document is open in Acrobat, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a save icon that resembles the universally recognized floppy disk symbol. It's subtle but important. Clicking this icon is the quickest way to save your file, especially if you've made any edits or annotations that you want to preserve. By clicking that icon, your document gets saved with all the changes in the same location you opened it from, making it a seamless and efficient process. Another way to save your file, if you prefer an alternative, is by directing your attention to the top left corner of your window. Here you'll find the menu button. Clicking this button will expand a list of options. In that menu, you'll see the options to save or save as. Clicking save accomplishes the same task as the icon, preserving changes to your current file location. However, if you choose save as, it allows you to save a new copy of your document, which can be beneficial if you need to recategorize your file, move it to a different folder, or if you'd like to save a version with different settings. Moreover, when you select the save as option, a dialog box appears. This is where you can specify the destination folder on your computer, rename your file if needed, and even select a different file format if Acrobat provides the option. This step is particularly handy for organization purposes, ensuring that your files are systematically arranged and easily retrievable. In closing, knowing how to save your files efficiently in Adobe Acrobat can significantly help in managing your documents better. Whether you're making minor annotations or saving significant updates, these methods make sure your work is preserved accurately and safely. Remember, keeping your files organized doesn't just save you time, but also ensures peace of mind. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and now you can confidently save your files with ease. Thanks for watching.